Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm about to make a recipe. This is how to make a fast and easy Jamaican rum cake, black cake. Yes, the other day paused and everything, but I'm going to show you how I make a fast, easy and quick one. I was on my live chat the other day. Well, we was talking about the rum cake and how you could do a fast, quick and easy rum cake without soaking your fruits for 10 years. Well, laugh out loud, 1 year. But I'm going to show you how I make a quick rum cake, like in 1 day process. So this is the video. I hope you guys find it interesting, fast, easy and simple. All right, now remember guys, this is how I make it fast, quick and easy. If you want to do the old-fashioned traditional way, those recipes will be down below in the link, right? So I gotta run guys. Hope you like this video. Thumbs up, like, share. Love you.
Bye. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's get into this fast, quick, easy and simple how to make Jamaican black cake or rum cake. Like 1, 2, 3. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, let's get right into all the things that you are going to need in your kitchen to make my fast, quick and easy Jamaican rum cake or black cake my way. And again I say guys, this is my way. Now you are going to need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of brown sugar, and that is cane sugar that I'm using, 2 sticks of butter, raisins, cherry, browning, wine, rum. I have 5 jumbo eggs, but usually you're going to need 6 large eggs for this recipe. So since I'm using jumbo eggs, I only need 5. Now, to spice up this thing and mad loud, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of salt. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Not baking soda, you know, baking powder. And then you're also going to need 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And that's all you need. It's not a fancy dancy thing, but trust me, it'll taste wicked. Okay guys, I'm moving on to my very first step into making this fast, quick and easy Jamaican rum cake or black cake. Now in that pot, I'm going to add 2 cups of wine. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of rum. And whatever kind of rum that you have, use it. It don't make a difference. Now, when that comes to a boil, then I'm going to add my fruits in. So now that the wine and the rum starts to boil, all you're going to do is put your fruits in. So I have my cherries there and my raisins. And guys, you could use whatever kind of fruits you like. In my rum cake, I only use cherry and raisin. Okay, after you put that in, you just want to let it boil for about 15 minutes. Okay? And after 15 minutes, on low to medium heat, you go ahead and you turn your fire off and you set it aside and allow it to cool. Okay guys, let's move on to our next step. Now in that container I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add my salt in, my baking powder, nutmeg, allspice, and cinnamon powder. And we just want to mix that all in together and make sure you get everything distributed really good throughout that flour. And then you set this aside. Well guys, since you've been watching me now for the past 3 minutes, 4 minutes, did you subscribe? Make sure you do that right now. Subscribe, make sure you press the notification bell. It's simple, let me show you how. You're already there on the channel. just go over here so and press the subscribe button, and then you hit the notification bell right there so, and boom, you subscribe to my channel. And now it's okay for you to go back to the video, right? Okay guys, we are moving on to our next step. In that container, I'm going to add my sugar and my butter. I'm going to mix these two together until it comes nice and smooth. Now, when it looks pretty much like that, it's time for me to put my eggs in. And with my eggs in, my sugar and my butter, I'm going to put this aside. Okay guys, now we're moving on to our next step. I'm going to go ahead and add my mixture in, and that is the wine, the rum, and the fruits in the blender. And you want to go ahead and press dice, chop. And you're done. Okay guys, now that I have my flour and it's all ready, that's my dry ingredients. Just open that flour up right in the middle of this up. And then pour your mixture in. Mix that in. When it starts forming, pretty much like that, you're basically folding it. So it's going to start looking like that. Now it's time to add your fruits in. So you pour your fruit mixture in and you fold that in. Now you want to go ahead and add your vanilla in. And then you want to pour 1 bottle of browning. Just put all that browning. I'm going to put the browning in mine, a whole bottle, because I like my cake dark. I like my cake brown. I like my cake black. That's why it's called Jamaican black cake. And you mix that in. You can go with 1 bottle. You could go with half a bottle. It's up to you. As far as your color is concerned, you're going to have to decide how much browning you want to put in there. But this is looking and smelling mighty good. And this is how I make a fast, quick and easy rum cake. Like 1, 2, 3 in my kitchen. Now that right there is your texture. Perfect. Right there. And I'm going to get this ready for the oven. Okay guys, so we are moving on to the next step into making this fast, quick and easy fruit cake in my kitchen. I have my baking container here. This mixture is going to make me up about 3 cakes. So all I'm doing here is spraying a little bit of non-stick spray inside of that pan. And then we pour it into the container, and you want to bring it up to about right there. You put your cover on, and I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and set up your cake for baking, or for steaming rather. Now guys, in your baking container, you want to go ahead and put your cake into the baking container like that. You're going to pour your water in. Then you put this inside your oven, and it will be baked for a full hour. Your oven should be on 375 degrees, guys. After about a half an hour into baking, your pan, your cover is going to lift up. That's okay. If it lift up, that's fine. That's what we're looking for, because remember, you're steaming the cake, so the baking powder is going to let it rise. That is how you're going to get that moist in the inside. So after 1 hour, we'll come back here and we're going to look at this cake, and it's going to be so perfect. See you back in an hour.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.